Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Progressive Smart Home Device Savings easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Progressive Insurance website. Once the home page loads, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the section labeled Smart Home Device Savings. Click on the link that takes you to the Smart Home Device Savings information. Read through the available details to understand how the program works. Locate the option that says Get Started or Sign Up Now. Click on this option to begin the subscription process. You may be prompted to enter your zip code for eligibility verification. Input your zip code and click Continue or Next. On the following page, enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is strong and meets the website's requirements. Once you have filled out your email and password, click Sign Up or Register. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Progressive. Open the email and click the confirmation link provided. Return to the Progressive website and log in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Smart Home Device Savings section again. Review the devices that qualify for discounts and the requirements needed. Select the smart home devices you plan to install. Follow the prompts to provide any necessary information about your devices. Double-check all entries for accuracy before submitting. Finally, review the confirmation of your subscription to the savings program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.